In today's world, the ketchup industry is a giant, raking in a staggering $35 billion annually. But have you ever wondered about the journey that turns tomatoes into the beloved sauce we all know? Let's delve deeper into the fascinating journey of ketchup production, exploring every step of the process in detail, where each step plays a crucial role in shaping its unique taste and quality. Imagine yourself standing in the heart of a sprawling tomato farm, surrounded by endless rows of vibrant green tomato plants reaching towards the sky. These farms, meticulously managed by dedicated farmers, serve as the birthplace of the tomatoes that will eventually find their way into your favorite ketchup bottle. Throughout the year, these farmers toil under the sun, tending to their crops with unwavering dedication. From planting the tiny tomato seeds to nurturing the young plants as they sprout and grow, every stage of the tomato's journey is carefully monitored and cared for. As the tomatoes begin to ripen, turning from a bright shade of green to a rich, luscious red, the farmers know that harvest time is near. This is when their hard work truly pays off as they carefully inspect each tomato, ensuring that only the finest, ripest ones are selected for ketchup production. A team of skilled farm workers moving swiftly through the fields, their hands moving with practiced precision as they pluck the ripe tomatoes from the vines. It's a labor-intensive process, requiring both speed and care to ensure that no tomato is left behind. Once the tomatoes have been harvested, they are carefully packed into crates and loaded onto trucks bound for the nearby ketchup factories. These factories, bustling with activity, serve as the next stop on our journey as we witness the transformation of these humble tomatoes into the beloved sauce we know and love. Upon arrival at the factory, the tomatoes undergo a thorough sorting process, where they are meticulously inspected by automated machines. These machines, equipped with state-of-the-art technology, analyze each tomato based on criteria such as color, size, and ripeness, ensuring that only the best ones make it through to the next stage. After sorting, the tomatoes are washed to remove any dirt or debris picked up during harvest. This is a crucial step in ensuring the quality and safety of the final product, as cleanliness is paramount in food production. With the tomatoes clean and prepped, it's time for them to undergo the crushing process. This is where they are transformed from whole fruits into a pulpy consistency that will form the base of the ketchup. Picture giant machines whirring to life, their blades slicing through the tomatoes with ease as they are reduced to a smooth, uniform paste. While the tomatoes are being crushed, another team is hard working, preparing the secret blend of spices that will give the ketchup its signature flavor. This blend, carefully guarded by ketchup manufacturers, is a closely kept secret, known only to a select few. Once the tomatoes have been crushed and the spice blend prepared, they are combined in a large vat and mixed together to create the final product. This is where the magic happens as the flavors meld together, creating that familiar tangy sweetness that we all know and love. But our journey doesn't end there. Once the ketchup has been mixed, it undergoes a series of quality control tests to ensure that it meets the highest standards of taste and safety. Samples are taken from each batch and subjected to rigorous testing in the factory's laboratory, where they are analyzed for factors such as flavor, consistency, and shelf life. Only once the ketchup has passed these tests with flying colors is it deemed ready for packaging. It is then transferred to bottles, jars, or other containers, where it awaits its final journey to supermarket shelves around the world. And so, our journey through the captivating world of ketchup production comes to an end. From the vast tomato farms to the bustling ketchup factories, we have witnessed firsthand the incredible transformation of humble tomatoes into the beloved condiment that has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions. So the next time you squeeze that familiar red bottle, take a moment to appreciate the journey that brought it to your table. Thanks for watching.